Hey guys! Today we're gonna do a big ol' E.L.F. haul. This whole box here. So I've got quite a few goodies. I'm filming with an actual camera today, which is kind of exciting. If the audio is not great, I'm working on it. We tried a bunch of things today and nothing worked, so we'll keep trying. But I'm going to dig in here, and everything on my face is E.L.F. Not everything is from this haul. Some things are from just previous purchases, so I'll let you know what's on my face. So we're gonna go in first with skincare, and I got a couple little of the sample bags here. It's kind of loud, sorry. So the first one I got is the new Pure kit, and Pure Skin dermatologist developed. I did not realize this has oat milk in it, and my skin really hates oat milk. I had a really bad run-in with Aveeno a few years ago, and it like burned my skin, and it was not a fun time to heal from that. So this will be gifted to my mom because I think that she'll really like this. Next I have the Holy Hydration, and I've heard really good things about this. I have not tried it yet. If you have, let me know what you think. Next was a freebie that they sent, and it's the Mint Melt Minty Fresh Cooling Cleanser. I did use this before I put my makeup on, and it's okay, I guess. I'll have to use it more because using it once was not a very good teller of how I'm gonna like it, so I'll let you know. Next was another freebie, and it's the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Balm, Cleansing Balm. I love the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, so we'll see how this works. I really like cleansing balms, so I'm excited to try this, probably right after I make this video. Next was another freebie. I qualified for a few, I guess. This is the Happy Hydration Cream, and I use this as well. I really, really like this. It feels really good. It's more cooling than the Minty cleanser was, which I didn't expect, but it felt really good. Yeah, I will use this up. I'm just about out of my Clinique one, and I might get the whole, like might get the full size of this. Next I have 3 primers. The first one is the one that I used today, and it's the new Power Grip primer. I have seen everybody and their mother talking about this, and I've never used a gripping primer. All the primers I use are either hydrating or pore filling, or both. So I don't... We'll get into this a little bit later, and I'll explain why I'm not sure if I like this or not, which is kind of a common theme with primers here. Next is the Mint Melt Cooling Primer, which after I placed this order, I saw a TikTok showing that they are literally the exact same thing. So I will probably gift this one to my mommy too. And then this one, I misunderstood what it was, and I put it on before my moisturizer, but it is the E.L.F. Electric Mood Tiana Major 9. Tiana? I don't know who that is. Illuminating Elixir Priming Serum. I did not read the priming serum part. So I thought it was an illuminating serum, so I put it on before my primer. And I won't lie, I bought it because the packaging was pretty, but I mean, if you look at it, it looks like a primer. I don't know where my brain was. Okay, I did not get any foundations because I already had the E.L.F. CC cream, which I feel like I'm gonna get yelled at for this, but I don't care for it. It does not look good on my skin. I don't know if you can tell, I feel like this camera is just making me look like a completely different person. I don't look like this. I can see myself in the viewfinder, and So I have the CC cream that I had already bought because everybody raved about it, and I was like, okay, I mean, it's not expensive. So it has collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, and SPF, which all are fantastic things that my skin should like, but it just doesn't. And I've tried this with a few different primers. I have this in Fair 120. I do need to get a slightly darker shade because it's just a little bit too light, and I really wanted to like this. But this is not part of the haul. I already had this. Another thing that I already had that I didn't realize, so this is also going to my mommy, is the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I got this in the shade Fair Beige. The one that I have is in the shade Fair Peach, right? Fair Rose is the one that I already had. And did I use this in my Ulta video? I think I did, and I didn't care for it. It's not hydrating at all. It totally broke up and creased under my eyes. It's just, you know, all these viral products, I'm not having luck. I'm not having any luck with them. And I'm having a really hard time looking at the camera and not at the viewfinder. I didn't open this one because when my mom gets back from Louisiana, she's going to have some gifts. Is there a trick to this that I don't know about? I really want to like it. I just have other concealers that I like a lot more, and just can't. It also smells real weird. It's okay, it smells like the old school E.L.F. concealers that were like plastic and candy. Next, I have the E.L.F. Putty Bronzer. I was really excited that this came out because I love the putty blushes, and this is amazing. I got the shade, it doesn't have the color on, oh yes it does, hang on, Tan Lines. And when I opened it up, I thought it was going to be way too dark, and then I buffed it out, and I think it works really well. My favorite cream bronzer is the Tarte one that comes in a little blue, like the Sea Breeze, I think. And I think this is fairly comparable, however this dries a little bit more matte, whereas the Tarte one stays a little bit, not dewy, but more satin. As you guys know, I am always on the hunt for a face powder that is going to work. And I'll play with this a little bit more on like base products that I know I like. I have a hair in my eye. But over top of this, and also yes, I have a line of eyeliner on my top lid. I don't know, I haven't. But I don't care. I mean, alright, under the eyes it was crap. But like in here, where I get a little bit oilier faster, like around my nose and just in this area, I did like it, but I'll have to play with it a little bit more. I'm not giving up on it. Next I got a highlighter. I know this has been around for a hot minute now, but it was on their website and I was like, oh, I have not tried that. And it is the Shimmer Highlighting Powder, and it looks like that, and I love this. It's very natural, but still gives a nice kind of sheen. I don't know how well you can see under these bright lights, but this is a really good product. I really recommend this. Next, let's talk about brows. Yeah. So I grabbed this bite-sized brow palette. They sent it to me in the shade black, but I feel like I didn't order it in that color, so let's see. Oh, it doesn't even say. It doesn't say what color I ordered, but I was sent black. My hair is not black, and black is going to look absolutely ridiculous. So I don't know what I will do with that. Maybe it'll work as an eyeliner. Next, I got two of the bite-sized eyeshadows, and I'm wearing a little bit of both of them on my eyes right now. I have the one in Cream and Sugar and one in Rose Water. Looks like this. Kind of your basic cinnamony neutral colors, but the shadows are really, really nice. Really pigmented and blended really well. And then the one in Rose Water is very pretty, kind of mauve-y rose colors. So it looks like that. So I used this shade from the Rose Water palette, like all over the lid and kind of in the crease area. And then I used this shade from Cream and Sugar to deepen up the crease area. And then I used both of these shimmers on there. I grabbed 3 of the No Budge shadow sticks. The first one I got is in Golden Goddess. And, oh boy, that just slid right out. Looks like that. Really pretty, very soft. Second one is Blue Steel. Ooh. Looks like that. Third one is Copper Chic, and this one I used on my lid and then put those shimmers over top of it. And this one looks like that. Next I got a couple of eyeliners. I have 3 here. So the first one I used on my eyes, and this one is the H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. Let me tell you, I had a scary experience with this. It got like right into that corner tear duct, and I had to be real quick to get it out or it was going to turn my entire eye black. Like it was getting a little bit dark in that corner. A bit frightening. Next is their just basic eyeliner pen. I honestly don't remember why I got this because I don't remember it being very good. And then this one I'm excited to play with. It is the Stardust Glitter Eyeliner, and this is being discontinued, so I grabbed it, and it's in Shimmering Gold. Next are lip products, and I did go a little bit crazy. Maybe not super, or fine. The first one I got is what I have on my lips now, and it is Berry Queen. I'll swatchy swatch the lippies. I mean, you can see what this one looks like on, but it's that berry color there. The next one is Spicy Sienna. These are such a neat concept. I saw these all over TikTok, as I do everything. And I saw on Instagram when they launched them, and ooh. And I was very curious. It's that kind of orangey shade. And then this one is Coral Cutie. I think these are all names that they had for their lipsticks before, but I don't remember. Is anybody my age and remembers when they only had $1 section? $1 range? That one's pretty. This is not a coral. This is orange. So keep that in mind. It is very orange, but I don't mind. I love orange lipstick, actually. It's my favorite color. Next, I got 3 of the Seriously Satin lipsticks. And I think these were part of their $1 range when I was younger, like middle school, high school. And they just reformulated them or repackaged them or something. So I have Sugar Plum, Raspberry, and Persimmon. I actually got very similar colors to the stains. Sugar Plum here. Ooh, yeah, that's really pretty. That would have looked really pretty under this. Next is Persimmon. Another very bright orange. Love that. Oh yeah. Okay, so all of these, I think all of these lipsticks and stains are going to pair really well. I'm looking forward to messing around with that. And then this one is Raspberry. And it is it looks like a true red that's gorgeous. Okay, this is like oh yeah. That's beautiful. Oh, that's a great red. I like it. It's more on the cooler pinky side. Okay, next I got 2 of the Plumping Lip Glosses. I got the one in pink Cosmo and the one in Bahama Mama. I guess orange is a very common theme with me today. So this one is, I don't care for the scent, but whatever. That's pretty. That would look pretty over that orange lipstick too. I can already feel it heating up my hand. Cool, cool. So that's what that one looks like there. And this is the one in pink Cosmo. And okay, so that's more of like a very sheer, kind of milky color, I guess. And it looks like that. Last but not least, I got 2 setting sprays. I got the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, and it says up to 16-hour wear. What the heck is in there? I used this one, and I don't really know what I was expecting. I am really, really a much bigger fan of dewy setting sprays. However, that's a great mist. That's wonderful. Like, I think these are $5. I should have been telling you the prices this whole time, but you can go on their website and look. And the smell is not offensive. And, yeah, the mist is great, so I will give it that. This one I've not used yet, obviously. But this is the Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. I can't imagine it's going to be a whole lot different. Good lord, their packaging is just struggly. Let's see. No, this mist is not the same. Oh, maybe it is after you get it a couple times. Similar, a little bit chunkier. Alright, that is everything for this haul today. That was a lot of makeup. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Leave me comments down below. Hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I am super excited to see how the quality of this video turns out. If there's anything else that you'd like to see from me, let me know. I would love to hear from you. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram. I will list those down below in the description. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I thought it was an illuminating primer, I guess. Sugar and plastic. I'm going to turn this viewfinder around. It is what it is. Shit.